Hi guys, this is Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah. Welcome back to my channel. So we are here for day 7 of our countdown to Christmas with our Christmas advent calendar. And today's offering is this small sort of junky journal. So this is a very kind of basic journal. I had a lot of fun creating it. It's only 5 inches by about 8.5. It's not hugely chunky, as you can see. I've not put a closure on it because, as you can see, it just, you know, completely lays flat. Now, the outside of the journal is some soft kind of card. So it's obviously been made thicker from all the layers that it's got on it. So the inside is covered with some mulberry handmade paper, and the outside is covered with some fabric. I have distress inked it in a few places. And then you've got this lovely collage kind of front cover with a label here for you to write something on, and just the word notes there. And then you've got some lace and a flower and things. Going into the little journal itself, I mean, I have to say, although this is not you know, a full-blown massive frilly journal, I absolutely love this journal and I love making things like this. So yeah, just a really fun project. So on the inside of the front cover, you've got this what's the word? You know, where you run through your big shots with your embossing folder. So an embossed layer of card here. And then you've got some bits layered up on here, a butterfly with some bling and a number and things. And then tucked into there, this is just one of those lovely brown envelopes, and I've kind of decorated it up, made it look quite grungy. And then it's a sort of secret pocket. So you've got sort of a pocket inside a pocket. And I just then made this little journaling card that just goes in there. It's all very grungy and very kind of browny and neutral and, you know, very vintage feel in this journal. So lots of bits layered up in there and some stamping and things. So that just tucks in here. And then at the top, I've just included a little stamped image here, which then is a pocket, and you've just got one of those little foldy flip type pieces of coffee dyed paper. So I have to say, although this is quite a small journal, there's quite a lot of journaling space in here. So yeah, there's quite a bit of writing room. On the facing page, you've just got a little cluster down here. I'm just going to move the camera slightly. A little cluster down here that's forming just a tuck spot. And I've just made a little basic kind of journaling card there with just a butterfly on there and a bit of stamping and just this lovely image. So that's there. And then you've just got this lovely design in the background. Going over the page, you've got just some plain pages for journaling there and another one there. On here, you've just got a sort of largish pocket, and then just tucked in there, I just included a little journaling card that goes in there. And then you've got some more plain papers for journaling. And then here, again, you've got a cluster here making a little tuck spot, and I just tucked in a little, what's this called? A digital photo, vintage photo that I've printed out there. So that just tucks in there. And then you turn over, you've got more room for journaling, another little page there for journaling. And then on here, again, another one of those embossed pieces of paper there forming a pocket. And in there, I've just popped in some coffee dyed paper that just kind of folds out. So more journaling space there. And then on top of the embossed piece of paper, you've also got a stamped image forming another little pocket with another little kind of journaling card in there. And I just stapled on some ribbon for just a, you know, fun sort of look. And then you turn over, you've got more journaling space, again, more journaling space, another piece of paper there and there. So you really have got a lot of journaling space in here. Then you've got the center of your signature with the strings, obviously, and then a bit more journaling space. Here, this is a little foldy flip out, and I've done this using, you know, the handmade tabs that we made. And I've just literally attached this, you know, die cut piece onto the tab. And then I reinforced the tab with some book page so it's a bit thicker and more robust. So it's acting as a tab, obviously, for the, you know, the page, but also has some kind of extra journaling space in there as well. So I quite like how that's turned out. Then on here, you've just got a little journaling card tucked in. Now, I have to say, This paper is torn. Now this was torn in the coffee dyeing process. I've tried to kind of reinforce it a bit by having this tuck on here, but as you can see, it's not really kind of gone down far enough for where the tear actually is. I mean, I don't think it's likely to fall off or anything like that. You could always reinforce it with some washi or something like that, but you've got there another tuck, you know, just folded down, and that just literally tucks in to the label like that. And then obviously open that up, you've got the rest of that tab, and then you've got a little pocket here with another journaling card just tucked in there. Oops, why is that not wanting to go in? Oh no, I realise why. It's because it's only a tuck spot, you know, for a, you know, for that to tuck in. Then here you've got another page for journaling, and I just popped on some ribbon and then this stamped piece over it. I love how that looks, just simple but cute. More journaling space here, and then you've got another cluster on the back holding in just another little folded out piece of coffee dyed paper. So this was very much kind of made from using things on my desk and sort of odds and ends. Then you've got some more journaling space, a little image down here acting as another tuck spot with another journaling card just in there. Again, some lovely paper there, and then more journaling space. Again, some lined paper for journaling. Some more journaling space here, and then this is just from some vintage sheet music. It's the original, and I love those, you know, the bottom bits that have kind of the addresses and things like that. So I just tore that off and popped that there. And then going over the page, you've just got a little image there as a tuck spot, again with a journaling card tucked into there. And then you're onto the back page, or you know, the inside of the back cover, and this one here is just a belly band, which I just again tucked in a little foldy kind of piece. It's, I think, scrapbook paper if I recall, but it could be the front, you know, the outside cover of some sheet music. I think it's scrapbook paper, I honestly can't remember, I'm afraid. And just layered up a couple of extra bits on there, but that just tucks into the belly band like that. You've got some lace and some bling, again stapled on a ruffle of the ribbon, and then a sort of cluster of things and some you know, one of my numbers, and this is some decoupage napkin onto the sheet music, and that's it. And then you're back to the front. So as I say, I mean, it's quite a basic journal. It's certainly not a kind of great big, you know, gator mouth like I normally like to make, but I absolutely love making it. It, I think, has a really super vintage kind of look to it. And yeah, really nice, plenty of journaling space in there. And the good thing is with this, obviously it's quite flat, so you could actually technically take this out and sort of stuff it into your handbag and things. So really nice little journal. And yeah, so that's going to be listed in my shop, as I say, day 7 of our advent calendar. So our countdown to Christmas is you know, steaming ahead. So yeah, I hope that you'll join me tomorrow. As I've said on all of these, this will be listed at 2 p.m. GMT, you know, time, which is 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, that's the time that this will be listed in my Etsy shop. And yeah, I hope that you like it, and hopefully see you tomorrow for day 8 of our countdown to Christmas with our offering for day 8 of our advent calendar. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks then. Bye.